Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Creative Tips. In this video I am gonna teach you how you can create an amazing glossy effect in Photoshop. So any further ado, let's get started. Simple. First of all, open your Photoshop and create a canvas of any size like that you want. So I'm gonna take my shape tool. So I'm gonna click on this little arrow to select this shape and hold shift on your keyboard to draw your shape like this. So I'm gonna click on my move tool, hit Ctrl A on your keyboard to create a selection of your artboard, and here you can see the alignment options to align my shape horizontally, and click on this icon to align my shape vertically. Hit Ctrl D to deselect your selection. So double click on this layer to open the layer styles like this. Under the layer styles, I'm gonna click on bevel and emboss to add bevel on my layer. So under the bevel and emboss, the style is set on inner bevel, technique is smooth, depth is set on 100%, the size is set on 16 pixels, the soften is set on 18 pixels. So under the shading, I'm gonna put here 56 and the altitude is set on like 26. Under the gloss contour, I'm gonna click on here. Don't click on this little arrow, click on the contour like this. So under the preset, I'm gonna select ring double and hit OK. So the highlight opacity is set on 67 and the shadow opacity is set on 0. So under the bevel and emboss, I'm gonna click on the contour. So I'm gonna double click on this contour to add more glossiness. So I'm gonna create a point like this, a little bit up of this point, and again click to create a point and little bit down this point like this. It's like pretty good, and hit OK. I'm gonna click inner glow to apply inner glow on my layer. So the blend mode is set on overlay and the opacity is set on 13%, noise is 0, and the color is select on black. Hit OK. So the technique is softer and the choke is set on 14 and the size is set on 32 pixels. So I'm gonna again click on this contour. Do not click on this little arrow. Simple click here like this. Again create a point little bit up like this, create another point and little bit down, and after this hit OK. So the range is set on 50 and the jitter is set on 0 and hit OK. So select this layer and the fill is set on 0. So here you can see the glossy effect has been created. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.